In this lecture, you will learn how to use extrude start and end conditions and explore different options of extrude start and end conditions. For example, we have this yellow sketch that has been created on this plane, but we want to extrude this yellow sketch on this face. So how it is possible? First of all, select this yellow sketch and go to extrude, and from drop down list select surface or face option. So select the surface from where you want to extrude this sketch. So select this surface and change the direction of extrusion. Okay, so you can see that we have created a sketch on this surface, but we have extruded that sketch on this face. Another option is offset from sketch plane. Again, select a sketch, then go to extrude. So from start conditions, select offset and select the offset distance. Change the direction of offset. So it means although we have created a sketch on this plane, but it will be extruded offset from this plane about 90 millimeter. You can change the distance of offset as you required. So this is the extrude offset from sketch plane. Now select this circle and go to extrude. From end conditions, there are blind options through all. Through all mean that it will be extruded through all. Edit up to surface. It will select a surface. So this means that that circle will be extruded up to this surface. Again edit. Another option is offset from surface. It means that this circle will be extruded from this sketch plane, but it will be offset from this end plane about 5 millimeter. Change the distance of offset about, you can see that this circle is offset from this plane about 10 millimeter. You can also use offset from sketch plane. Define the offset distance. You can see that although sketch has been created on this plane, but it will be start after 20 millimeter from this plane, and if we go to end conditions, it will end before 10 millimeter from this plane. So this is extrude offset for start condition and extrude offset from end conditions. So I hope you have picked my point, and please make practice of this lesson. See you soon in next lecture soon. Okay, take care. Bye bye.